7 a.m. Saturday. Obviously, mosquito bit my lip. Anyways, 12-hour race this morning. Go up there and see what the team meeting is about. Downtown Arcata. Okay, so this is where I'll be doing this 12-hour race. Redwood Park, City of Arcata. And this kind of stuff. Pretty cool. So this is the race. 12 hours of Humboldt in Arcata. Kind of a small race, and it's not the Sea Otter or anything like that, by all means, but I have a good feeling about it. I think it's going to be pretty fun. And this is how I'm going to race today. I'm going to race out of a bag with a bunch of Boost, some bottles, and that's it. That's my pit.
Sure. Go.
Third with 12 laps. Debbie and Gilbert.
Oh, hey, could you hold this?
Woo! Video. No, just hold it.
Oh.
I don't know. I don't know. Press the button.
Mark Osborne.
I'm going to take it. Is it a video?
I don't know.
It's an interesting story.
Don't pull it away.
I'm trying to see if it's a video.
You heard about the race. His panniers are back here somewhere. He rode the bike he's been touring on to third place.
I think it's a video. He said something about.
I'll let you do it because I have no clue.
Congratulations.
I can't tell. Yeah, I guess it could be on video.
That's great.
Superman.
Sure. Is it on video? Huh? Is that on video? Or? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Because I'm touring, so, you know, I have like a ton of video and I just put it all together. You know, my family and friends and all that stuff.